really want me on the team. What's your approach to recruiting?
You want first place, come play with me. You want second place, go somewhere else. Like I would watch Magic play. I'd watch Michael play. And I would see them do these unbelievable things, and I'd say, you know, can I get to that level? I don't know, but let's find out.
That's why he's the best player in the game.
Everything was done to try to learn how to become a better basketball player. Everything. And so when you have that point of view, then literally the world becomes your library to help you to become better at your craft.
So because you know what you want, the world's giving you exactly the information you need to become better at it.
Because you know what you're looking for.
So many guys tell stories about your work ethic.
Yeah.
What was really your work ethic like, and for how long did you stay disciplined?
Well, I mean, every day. I mean, since 20 years. I mean, it was an everyday process, and trying to figure out strengths and weaknesses. For example, jumping ability. Man, my vertical was a 40. It wasn't a 46 or a 45. My hands are big, but they're not massive. Right? So you got to figure out ways to strengthen them so your hands are strong enough to be able to palm a ball and do the things that you need to do. Quickness, I was quick, but not insanely quick. I was fast, but not ridiculously fast. Right? So I had to rely on skill a lot more. I had to rely on angles a lot more. I had to study the game a lot more. And but I enjoyed it though. So like from the time I can remember when I started watching the game, I studied the game and it just never changed. It's a good separation for me, emotionally, to be able to put myself in a place where at practice or when I'm training or during games, I switch my mind to something else. I switch my mode into something else, right? For me, it's the equivalent of Maximus Decimus Meridius in Gladiator picking up the dirt, smelling the dirt. It's go time, right? So that was my mental switch. It was like an actor getting ready for a film. You got to put yourself in that cage. When you're in that cage, you are that character. And then when you leave there, it's something completely different. But when I'm in that cage, bro, don't touch me, don't talk to me. Just leave me alone.
How did you get mentally and emotionally so strong where it doesn't bother you?
Well, you got to look at the reality of the situation. Like for me, it's not, you kind of got to get over yourself. Like, it's not about you, man. Like, okay, you feel embarrassed. You're not that important. Like, get over yourself.
That's where you go.
Get over yourself, right? Like you're worried about how people may perceive you, and like you're walking around and it's embarrassing because you shot 5 air balls. Get over yourself, right? And then after that, it's okay, well, why did those air balls happen? Got it. High school, year before, we played 35 games, max, right? Week in between, spaced out, plenty of time to rest. In the NBA, it's back to back to back to back to back to back to back. I didn't have the legs. So you look at the shot, every shot was online, but every shot was short. Right? I got to get stronger. I got to train differently. The weight training program that I'm doing, I got to tailor it for an 82-game season so that when the playoffs come around, my legs are stronger and that ball gets there. So I look at it with rationale and say, okay, well, the reason why I shot air balls is because my legs aren't there. I go, well, next year they'll be there. That was it.
Done. Were there some names that you looked at and says, these 3 guys are as crazy as I am?
At the time, I deal with what I've referred to as Goat Mountain. I went to Goat Mountain, and I talked to Magic, Michael, Bird, Hakeem Olajuwon, Jerry West, Oscar Robinson, Bill Russell. So I would talk to them. What did you do? What were your experiences? Michael in particular, he's become my big brother. He's been my big brother since I first came in the league. And what was that process like? So I went to them and started understanding the ins and outs of the game and how they approach things and their level of detail and obsessiveness. And
मम्मी थकान का भूत उतारना है तो शुगरी ड्रिंक से कुछ नहीं होगा कर लो गुड एनर्जी रीलोड, ये असली हाइड्रेशन जिसमें चीनी कम, इलेक्ट्रोलाइट ज्यादा और जीरो कैफीन। उतर गया?
हाँ, उतर गया।
With ROI measurement made easy, I can hire the right candidates faster with LinkedIn.
And that's what I did. The players that had that passion, but weren't willing to commit their entire lives to doing that, right? It's a choice, right? You have other things. You have family, you have all these other things that you have to do. The game can't really be your number one priority. And so I was looking at that like, man, this is gonna be fun.
If I'm buddies with you from high school, if I'm a cousin of yours, what happened to our relationship? How did that gravitate when you went into the league and you're determined to become the greatest, or you're determined to become one of the greatest? What happens to our relationship?
Well, it suffers.
It does suffer.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you understood that. You were okay
yeah.
with that.
Well, yeah. And the people that love you, like friends and family, like they know that about you.
Got it.
So they let you be you. And when you reconvene, you know, you pick back up where you left off. Mm-hmm. But make no mistake about it, everything in between is lost, right? So those long-term relationships, the commitment of time of, taking like I see a lot of players take vacations with other players that are close friends. And they'll just take vacations just to take vacations, or just hang out just to hang out. Like I never did that.
Why not though? Why didn't you do that?
Well, because when I retire, I didn't want to have to say, I wish I would have done more. I don't want that. You know, I don't want that.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen from all over the world. Good day, good morning, good afternoon. I just want to share my screen here and we can start this presentation on a Friday evening here in South Africa. So welcome to Rain BNB, the next generation of Ride BNB. Welcome to the electrifying world of Rain BNB. Let's have a clear look at what is Rain BNB, and this presentation will be in two parts. The first part will be what is Rain BNB? How does it work? Why is it the best platform on earth today? And the second part will be about the compensation plan and how you can become a millionaire in Rain BNB. Right, so but first of all, let us start with a warning. The information that you are about to see has got the potential to change your life dramatically. So just be warned about that. And this information has changed a lot of members' lives as all over the world already, from many different countries. Right, so first of all, we must look at ourselves and ask ourselves the million-dollar question, which is, who wants to fail in life? And the answer will always be nobody. Nobody wants to fail. Nobody will admit that they want to fail. We were not created to fail in any circumstance, in any level of life. Wherever you are, whoever you are, nobody wants to fail. You don't get born to be a failure. Right, so but if you look at, or if you think at failure or success, you first of all, you think of people who made it financially and they are rich, they are wealthy. That's the first thing that comes to mind. But research has shown, sadly, that only 97% of people worldwide, they remain mediocre and average in their lives. And only about 3% will achieve wealth and success. So we have a huge market to change this 97%, to decrease that number and to increase the 3%. So there is a lot of work and potential in these numbers for us. So we need to, this Rain BNB platform has got the potential to change everybody's lives worldwide financially. Right now, let's look at the reasons why people fail in life. They have a lack of burning desire. They either have a poor mindset or they are full of excuses, and we call that excuse-itis, or they just give up too easily. if you look at people who are successful, they don't give up. They don't look at excuses. They think of solutions. And they don't have a poor mindset. They always find solutions for every obstacle that comes their way. All right, either they fail to seize the right opportunity at the right time, they will overanalyze the thing, and that will paralyze them in the end, and they will not go over to taking any action. All right, there also is a lack of trust and transparency in the platforms that they want to join, and there's an absence of genuine and legit systems to grow their finances. So if you look at this picture here, top left, you will see that everybody is willing or wants to make a huge success of their lives, and they want to make big money. But as soon as you give them the tools to do it, then the excuses jumps out, and all the problems they can think of jumps in front of them. But the first secret of success is to start to believe in yourself, and that you can achieve whatever you want to achieve, whatever you put your mind to. So let's see how we can decrease this number of 97% and increase the number of 3%. Please forget everything of your past experience in this industry. Wherever you have been, we've all been part of platforms before where we got scammed and we lost money, and we know that story. I don't think there's any person in this industry that hasn't went through this experience yet. So it will not help to cry and keep back there. Yeah, but I lost so much money in this program and that program. If you're going to stay in the past, that's where you're going to be in prison for a long time until you change your mind. We cannot cry over spilled milk, as the word says. All right, it's forgotten, it's past. We cannot change that. We need to carry on. We need to go forward in life. All right, let's look at this platform, which has the solution for everybody to reach their financial goals. Even if you seek additional income or you aspire greatness, you will achieve that with this platform if you follow the blueprint here. All right, RainBnB has a solution for everyone. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that will last you for a lifetime to earn exceptional income. And you can work in this platform either full-time or you can do it part-time. All right, this is a cutting-edge 21st century business model which creates a win-win situation for everybody involved here. So here you can build a business for yourself that will pay you for the rest of your life. This is not just a fly-by-night thing that will last you for 2 or 3 months or 6 months. You will see the reasons why I say that. Right, so in life you will work for somebody. Why just not decide to make that somebody yourself? Make that someone you and start working for yourself. Right, but we already saw that the secret to getting ahead is to get started, take action. What is RainBnB exactly? So yes, RainBnB is a pioneering community building platform on the OPBNB blockchain network, where members accumulate a BNB. All right, RainBnB has been established by a team of experts from Russia and Europe, Eastern European countries. And they share a united passion, and they have got deep expertise in blockchain and AI. And they put together this platform, which is absolutely phenomenal and remarkable. All right, keep note that, or take note that RainBnB is not a return on investment platform, but you can be paid on a daily basis here. So you just don't buy a position here or put in your money here and sit back and relax and wait for your money every day. It is not that, then this is not for you. This is not how RainBnB works, but there is, you will see in the bonuses, there is definitely a way that you can get paid on a daily basis and on a regular basis, constant basis. Right, RainBnB is not a donation platform also, but you will receive big payments if you meet the basic requirements of this smart contract. All right, let's look at what is the mission and the vision of RainBnB. The mission is to empower and unite individuals through a decentralized community platform or community building platform. Right, so the main word to focus on here is decentralized. You do not want other people to control your money. You want to be in control of your money. And the smart contract will manage all of the transactions for you. So there is no human third party involved between you and your money and the payouts. So that's the main thing here. The smart contract is the main actor in this platform. There's no admin officers, there's no CEO or owner that you can go to if there's any issues. Everything is managed by the smart contract. So let's look at this. What is a smart contract? It's a self-executing trustless agreement on the blockchain. Now, what is the word trustless? The word trustless definition is that you do not have to trust a third party, a bank, or any person or an intermediary that could operate between you and your cryptocurrency transaction or holdings. Right, so here we do not need to trust any human being, as we have experienced in the past and even currently on many, many platforms. We know what is happening when the platforms start to accumulate lots of money, then there's always excuses and stories. And then the compensation plan must change. And then not long after that, then the platform collapses or the website disappears and your money is gone. There is no chance for that happening in RainBNB. All right, so the vision for RainBNB is to be the leading platform that revolutionizes community engagement and driving collective success and innovation in a decentralized ecosystem. There is the word again, decentralized. You do not want to put your money into a centralized system. There is always risk involved here. You will see here now why there is zero risk in RainBNB. Right, this is the reason why there is zero risk in RainBNB, because your money is not available to be stolen or to be redirected to anybody else, in short. In short, the main reason is that there is no money on the smart contract that is kept there that can be stolen, that can be sent to another third party, because the balance is always zero, and that you can look up on this smart contract address. There is no money that is kept there. Every single cent or part of BNB that comes into the smart contract gets distributed in nanoseconds, very, 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 very fast. So immediately it gets paid out to the qualifying members, and there is no money on the smart contract ever. You will also see in other smart contracts, they always type of brag about all the money they have in the smart contract as liquidity, but that means that they can withdraw that money or somebody can steal that money and you will lose your money then. Yeah, there is no chance of any risk involved here. No chance that you can lose your money here, because all the BNB gets paid out immediately to the qualifying members, and that is the main thing. And lots of people, they do not know it or they do not understand it. This is the main reason why RainBNB is there's zero risk here, and that means that nobody can scam you here as well. Right, let's look at the reasons to join RainBNB. First of all, it's fully decentralized. There is no owner, there is no third-party control involved here, no management group. The smart contract manages everything for you. You do not even have to request withdrawals here. Everything is managed by the smart contract. This is perfect, what everybody has been looking for years. It is here in RainBNB. Right, you don't need to build a big community, even if it is a community building program. You do not need to build a big community. The requirements, the minimum requirements of the smart contract is that you need to refer at least 2 other people, like-minded people, before you can start receiving more payments. And those payments you will receive immediately. And you will also qualify for other bonuses, which we will look at later. Right, you are not limited to any working hours, as this is a global business and this runs 24/7. As long as you have an internet connection, you can operate on this smart contract of RainBNB. Nobody can change the smart contract, not even the developers. If they want to make changes, they need to rewrite a totally new smart contract. But even if they do that, this smart contract will still carry on working until the day that the internet stops working on Earth. Right, so there is no chance. It's not website based. It's operated on the blockchain by a smart contract. Even if the websites that we use to work on the smart contract is down or gets reported, you can still work directly on the blockchain, on the smart contract. Right, so that makes another reason for you to seriously take a look at RainBnB. Nobody can stop this. Nobody can switch off a website or anything like that because it's run by the smart contract. Because as long as you have an internet connection, you will be able to work on the smart contract on RainBnB. You can decide to be your own boss. Well, we all want to do that. We all want independence. So yeah, you can do that. Many members are doing this full time, and they are really making a big success of that. Right, this is a business for a lifetime, and it's only dependent on the internet's existence. So as long as you have internet existence or connection, you can work from anywhere in the world, 24/7. There is also no monthly fees as we see in other programs or platforms where you need to pay a monthly fee to be active or anything like that. There is nothing like that. If you are registered here, you are registered for life. Your account will be there as long as the internet exists. Right, there's also no products to sell. Let me just get there. No products to sell. There is no liability in RainBnB. There is no products to ship or to sell or to move around or to order. The product in RainBnB is the BNB crypto coin itself. Right, so there's also no targets to meet. You decide your own targets. You work on your own time. You set targets for yourself. There's nobody pressuring you to reach a certain volume or a number of volume or points or anything like that. Yeah, you decide yourself how much BNB you want to earn and how many people you want to help by doing that. But it's also 100% transparent. Everything is recorded on the blockchain and all transactions is there for you to go and look up. It's very, very transparent for anybody to go and look up, and nothing gets erased. You can't change anything on the smart contract as well. You will also see all the transactions in your Web3 wallet. It will reflect there as well. All right, it's 100% risk-free as we already looked at the reason for that. There is no chance that you can lose your money. You can never lose your money in RainBnB. Whatever you put in, if you need to, it will be there. It will be waiting for you to earn from that money, but you cannot lose that money. Right, it's legal in most countries worldwide. So yes, we know some countries still haven't legalized cryptocurrencies. So yes, that is, it won't work in those countries then. Payments or withdrawals are sent instantly to your connected wallet. There is no need to make any withdrawal requests. And we'll speak about this a bit later as well. Right, you and you alone are in control of your own money. The smart contract manages it for you. There is no need to trust any third party, any other human being here. Right, it's 100% scam free. Nobody can scam you here. They cannot run away with your money because the smart contract cannot be changed. And everything that goes into the smart contract gets distributed immediately to the qualifying members, according to the codes and the laws that it has been written with. And those, nobody can change that. So there is no chance of any scam here or the compensation plan being changed. Right, RainBnB makes use of the BNB Binance coin, which is already an established cryptocurrency. It's the fifth strongest one on CoinMarketCap, the first strongest one worldwide. So there is no new token that they are launching or want to pay members in that might receive a market value in the future, and they must still build up leverage for that coin. There's no thing. We are using a BNB coin, which is an established coin already, and we look at it more in detail right now. Right, the last reason that you need to join Rain.BNB is because this platform has got the best compensation plan in the industry. Of all the platforms, there is nothing that comes close to this. Right. And then also because you want to earn or you need extra income. And that is the main reason, basically, for joining these programs. Right, let's look at BNB a little bit more. So just take note, these screenshots are of a couple of weeks ago. At the moment, BNB is trading at $670 when I checked last time. So it went up from 600, but it's around 600, between 600 and 700, or between 500 and 700 constantly at this moment. Right, here's just BNB started in 2017, of July of 2017. It was launched by Binance, which is the biggest cryptocurrency exchange globally. Right, when they launched, BNB was valued at 10 cents per coin. Okay, at first it was on the Ethereum network, and later on they made some changes there. So there's no need to build a new coin here or token to get value for that. This has already been done for us. So this is just the growth of BNB in the last 5 years. It went above 3,600%, so it must be more now. And the overall growth, when this screenshot was taken, was 8,400%. It must be much more now. Right, so we know that the future predictions of BNB also looks very, very good. And it is predicted that in the next couple of years, it can reach between $4,000 to $10,000 per BNB coin. And you see what it is at the moment. It's around $650, $670 per BNB coin. They also predict that in this year of 2025, it will reach at least $1,000. Many people are very bullish about BNB, and the average that they expect is to be around $790 in this year alone. So yeah, there's no need for a new coin or a new token that still needs to get value. This is an established cryptocurrency coin that we are getting paid in, but they are using the OP BNB network to pay you, and the reason for that is because it is very fast and the transaction fees are very low. There is no issue with gas fees or transaction fees that gets too high. This is very stable transaction fees, and it will not change ever. Here you can see a screenshot of CoinMarketCap, where BNB is number 5 on CoinMarketCap worldwide. Right, so the OP-BNB network was established or created in 2023. So that was for the gaming industry that they used this, and it's a very high performance layer 2 solution within the BNB ecosystem. And there's many different chains and networks on BNB and so on. But the main reason for using OP-BNB network is because of the gas fees remain stable, and it's very low cost, and it's very fast. And that's exactly what you want in a platform like this. You do not want to wait for your draws or your money. You receive your money instantly. And if I say instantly, it's like in nanoseconds. It's very fast. When the person makes the payment or you qualify, you receive that payment instantly to your connected wallet. Now here is a website where you can go and read up more about OP-BNB network if you need more information about that. But please take note, you don't have to have any knowledge about crypto or need to be a financial expert or any other experience to be part of Rain.BNB. All right, the most important features of Rain.BNB is the following. There is no ownership control. This platform is fully decentralized and it's driven by the blockchain. There's no website involved here. It's not reliant on any website. The blockchain or the smart contract handles and manages everything. Right? There's absolute trust and transparency in Rain.BNB. It's an unchangeable system or immutable system. Nobody can change the compensation plan here. And as I said already, it's the best compensation plan worldwide. The payouts are instantly dispersed to the connected wallets. There's no need for waiting for withdrawals or requesting any withdrawals. Right, the gas fees is also very low and it's stable. It will always be that. It will not ever change. It's got a global reach and RainBnB operates on an autonomous operations. So when you do register, you do not supply any personal information like an email address or name, a telephone number, or anything like that. There is no identity theft that can happen here. Nobody can identify you. So everything is connected to your connected wallet that you use to register with the smart contract. It's a risk, liability, and scam-free platform. This is very important. Again, some things will be reiterated because you need to understand that, and you need to understand that 100%. When there is no risk, there is zero risk. There's nothing you can lose. Many platforms classify themselves as low, medium, high risk. RainBnB is zero risk. There's absolutely no risk. But you need to understand why. Right, this platform or this concept is a reputation building concept. It will build your reputation. And as I've said previously, we've all been involved in previous platforms and programs that turned out to be scams, and then the people, they shy away from you and they make it out for you to be the culprit. You stole their money because you introduced them. And that is not the case. They don't want to understand that or hear that. But in RainBnB, that is not even possible because the platform cannot be scam anybody here. That is let's look at the meaning of trustless agreements again. Trustless. It means that you don't have to trust a third party, a bank, a person, or any intermediary that could operate between you and your cryptocurrency transactions or holdings. Right, so simply put, RainBnB is light years ahead of any other platform on earth. Right, but take note that success is a decision. You need to decide where you want to go, what you want to achieve. You need to define your own why for yourself. And in RainBnB, if you commit and you work with RainBnB, you will achieve that, whatever you decide it needs to be. So let's see why RainBnB is the best online platform today. Again, I reiterate these things. Money or the BNB is not controlled by any human being. This is the biggest reason why you need to join RainBnB. The smart contract manages everything, all transactions immediately, not tomorrow or a week after or 2 days or whatever. It's done immediately. All payments and withdrawals. Right, so there's no need to trust any human being with your money or with your BNB. The smart contract cannot be changed. We know many platforms, when they run a little bit of time, then they make changes to the compensation plan, and then things start to go south, and then not long after that they scam you or they disappear. Right, yeah, it's not possible to make any changes to the smart contract. All right, this means that you are guaranteed to get paid when you meet the requirements of the smart contract, because there's nothing that can prevent you from getting paid. If you have an internet connection and you meet a requirement for you to get paid, you will get paid immediately. There is no doubt about that. Right, no money or BNB is kept on the smart contract, as we looked at previous slides already. 100% of the BNB is paid out immediately. No one can move your money or send it to any other wallet or steal your money then. All right, and another point for you to consider for joining RainBnB, there's a once-off low-cost startup of only about $3, or in South Africa, 60 Rand. All right, this you can compare with other platforms that you need to start with $10, $20, $150 or whatever, or 500 or 1,000. But yeah, you can, they've catered for every person on this earth. And most people have access to that startup money. Even if you just can start that, you are able to follow the blueprint, then you will be able to make a huge success of RainBnB. But we'll look at this in more detail a bit later. Right, then another reason for you to join RainBnB is because it's got the best compensation plan. There is really unimaginable income to be earned in RainBnB. I've never seen a platform where you can earn 1.48 million BNB, and take note that one BNB is about $670 at the moment. So multiply that by 1.4 million BNB. Then you get to your answer and see which other platform can come close to that. Right, RainBnB is really easy. Most people they think it's very difficult and they don't understand. But let's break it down in simple steps actually. And again, there's going to be some repetition here. RainBnB is 100% managed by the smart contract. That means that you can work with it with peace of mind. You don't have to wake up tomorrow morning or stress or worry that my account has been hacked or stopped or withdrawn or closed or anything like that, or something has disappeared. There's no need for that. It's managed by the smart contract, which cannot disappear. Right? The smart contract cannot be changed by anyone. You need to know that. There is no way for it to be changed. No money is kept on the smart contract. Again, we need to reiterate this. No money is kept here that can be stolen by anybody. All of the money that comes into the smart contract gets distributed immediately to the qualifying members. It's 100% risk-free. It's 100% scam-free. These things will put your mind at ease that you can work here with confidence. You can promote this with confidence to every person on this earth. And every person on this earth needs extra income. This will guarantee that you will get paid. And if you meet these 3 requirements of the smart contract, there is no issues. You will make money. What are these 3 simple requirements of the smart contract? First of all, you register. You register either on beginner or you decide wherever you want to start. Then you need to refer a minimum of 2 other like-minded people with your link to qualify for further payments and bonuses. So there's your first 2 already. We all know people all across the world. Nobody of us are staying on an island. And even if you do stay on an island, you still have internet connection. The internet has made the world very small. So people do not have excuses that they do not know people. They can't find any persons to share this with. Every person on this earth needs money. RainBnB will pay you if you meet these 3 requirements. That means that you will get paid, that you will make money. So why can't you just share it then with everybody? Don't you want to see other people succeed and live better lives themselves as well? Right, number 3 is you need to upgrade to earn more BNB. So you will start building your team. And as we've seen that you do not need to build a huge team. Each person needs to do these 3 things only. And you will make a success of this. Right, so don't overcomplicate it. It's not so complicated to make real money and change your financial status. Just do these basic right first. That is all you need to do. You do not need to reinvent the wheel or to go for a 5-year degree to study or whatever. These 3 things is all you need to do. You need to open your mouth to speak to people, to tell the world, to show the people and to help other people. And you're going to do that and you're going to help yourself as well. Right, so part 2 is how do you get paid or how do you get started before you look at the payments. First of all, you need to download any Web3 wallet. Now, this is your choice, but we have found that SafePal is the best, is the most user-friendly wallet. But you can choose whichever wallet you want to use. SafePal is the best or the easiest to use, and it's got more features that other wallets do not have. So it's actually very easy. Even if you do not have any experience in this industry with this, your members or your teams will teach you these things. There's a lot of help already available worldwide. Right, as long as that wallet supports the OPBNB network, then you can use that. All right, then you fund your wallet with a minimum of 0.0044 BNB, which is about $2.50 or around $3 maybe. It depends on the BNB price. to a BNB which is fluctuating on a daily basis, this startup number might change, but it's always around $3, maybe sometimes $4, depending on how high the price goes. But it doesn't really go much over that now for this time. Obviously, it will go up in future, and then the registration fee will be higher. This is the minimum for you to get registered only, but this will not make you a millionaire. This will not set you financially free. So we recommend that you start at least on ambassador, pioneer, or mentor ranks. You and your whole team, and obviously the people that you will refer as well. If they follow you, you will all make money very, very, very fast. It's not impossible to make huge money with starting on beginner and only referring to people, but it's just going to take you much longer. Right, then you register with the link that the person gave you, invited you, and then you ride with the required BNB on the OP BNB network. So that means that you upgrade, because here in the upgrades, that's where the life-changing money, is lying. Right, also very important that write down the 12 words of your wallet and keep them in a safe place. This is very important, people. You do not have to sit there or want to sit there with $1,000 or $2,000 in your wallet and then you lose access to the wallet. This is the only way you can get access back into your wallet. Don't just open a wallet and think that you will write the 12 words down later. Do it immediately. Keep those words in a safe place and don't take any screenshots or photos. Because if somebody hacks your devices and they get hold of those things, they can get access to your wallet. They won't even need your PIN or your password. You only need the 12 words to get access to these wallets. That is very important, to keep them in a safe place and to write them down immediately when you open these wallets. All right, there's no way to get it back, not even from the support of these wallet companies. There's absolutely your responsibility. Right, so let's look at the compensation plan. How do you get paid here? As we said already, this is the minimum requirement to get started. So if you're going to follow the route of beginner, then you need to start with 0.005 BNB. And if you refer only 2 people, then you will have to upgrade to influencer. And then that 0044 will not be enough, because you will need about $20 cents to upgrade to the next rank of influencer. But as I said already, it is recommended that you start on at least on ambassador, pioneer, or mentor rank or higher. That's around $30. It will be more now. It's about 30, 34, 35 maybe at this moment. Right, so you refer a minimum of 2 others, like-minded people with your link, but this is minimum. Keep note, this is the minimum. Right, and then you upgrade to receive more payments. Right, so you can make 1 million excuses or you can make $1 million. The choice is up to you. And I think we can all think of more than 1 million excuses if you really want. But we all need more than $1 million as well. Right, so wealth is the result of wise choices. It's not luck, it's spelled W-O-R-K. And yes, we know people want to sit back and just receive money. But unfortunately, in RainBnB, you need to do the work to receive money, and a huge amount of money as well. All right, so here is the package costs. This is what it's going to cost you to start from beginner to these ranks. And as I said already, it is recommended that you start at least here in the orange area. And this is what it's going to cost you. This was when the price of BNB was at $600, so that it will have increased by now. This is just a round of figure. Always work on the BNB value, because it doesn't change. The rand and the dollar value, that will always fluctuate. So main thing is to focus on the BNB value. This will never change. All right, this will always stay the same. So if you want to start on ambassador, you're going to have to buy at least 0.0506 BNB that you will need to register on ambassador, because you will You will register and you will upgrade to a beginner, influencer, achiever, and then ambassador as well. Then you will be on ambassador rank. And your whole team or the people that you refer will do the same. If you decide to go to Pioneer, you're going to buy or you're going to load onto your wallet 0.1034 BNB, and then you will upgrade from beginner to Pioneer, all 5 ranks at once. Right, you can't just go straight to Pioneer. You need to start at beginner. Everybody must start at beginner. Even if you want to go to greater, you must start at beginner. And you need to upgrade in sequence. Obviously, you can do it all at once, but you need to go it step by step. You can't just go from beginner and then decide to go to icon. You need to pay for the other ranks in between there as well. Right, so let's look at the bonuses in detail. There are 6 bonuses that will set you free financially if you follow the basic steps and the basic rules here. But let's look at the qualifying criteria for each and every rank or bonus here. First of all, you get your 10% referral bonus, and that goes together with your direct referral bonus. Your direct referral bonus, you will always receive it with the 10% of your direct referrals. But let's just focus on the direct referral bonus or the referral bonus of 10%. You will receive 10% for every direct referral that registers on your link, and also 10% of their subsequent upgrades, irrespective of which rank that you are. You just need to be on a minimum rank of influencer. But even if your personal direct upgrades to creator, you will still receive 10% then, right, of the basic package cost. Right, so that is a one reason for you to refer as many people as possible with your link. You can receive up to, you are going to receive about 10 BNB for every direct referral if they upgrade from beginner to creator. So depending on the BNB price of that current time, you will receive, like for today, if your direct upgrades from beginner to creator, you will receive around $6,900 just from that one direct when he upgrades, just from the 10%. So refer as many as possible as you can, because that will benefit you and it will benefit your team as well. Right, and then the next bonus is your 69% direct referral bonus. Here you get paid 69% of the basic package cost of every direct that you refer. Every referral that registers on your link, they will pay you this amount of BNB when they register. So let's look at this in numbers. If you refer 100 of them, that will pay you about 0.276 BNB, and that's around in the region of $200. So that is still not life-changing money, but you will not say no to that. You can definitely make use of that. Right, there's no limit on the number of direct referrals that you can refer. And as I said already, it will benefit yourself, it will benefit your team. Because if you refer 10, 20 people, you do not know which of those 10, 20 people will be big runners and will be good performers for yourself and your team. Some of them will not be good performers. Others will be very, very good, and that will benefit you, and you can make use of that. All right, so now bonus number 3 is the 69% upgrading bonus. Now here is where the big money lies. So when this price list was made, BNB was $651. So keep in mind that this is not up to date because the price changes, but it's not far off. Right, here we look at, as we see, we need to come in on these ranks, and this is where you will need to focus on, because this is where the big money lies. On each level, the number of members increase, the number of positions increase, and also the number of, everything doubles basically. Your upgrade cost doubles. Your number of people doubles that you need on that level, that will pay you when they upgrade to that level. But also your payments that is going to come to you, that doubles as well. So you also need to keep in mind that you need to upgrade yourself to receive from that level. So let us say, for instance, you are on ambassador, but a person in your downline upgrades to a higher rank or to pioneer, you will not receive the payment because you are not on pioneer yourself. You need to be on that rank, depending on which level he is below you, because your level 2 will pay you when they upgrade to influencer. And there's 4 people that will pay you there. And that will come to the region of around $11, all 4 of those people. Then you upgrade to achiever, and there's 8 people that will pay you, and the total will be around $45 about. So from that money you're going to use to upgrade to the ambassador. If you want to go that route, you can also take money out of your pocket and upgrade as far as you want to. Or you can follow the route of organically upgrading by building it and using the money in the system. That is entirely up to yourself. Right, so everything just doubles, but you must keep in mind that this money that you receive here, you do not receive it when these people come into your levels. You receive this money when the people upgrade to those respective ranks. So as I said already, your level 2 will pay you when they upgrade to influencer. Level 3 will pay you when they upgrade to achiever. Level 4 people, you will receive ambassador payments when your level 4 people upgrades to ambassador. And so it goes on up until level 15. So on level 15, there is 32,768 positions. And when those people, when they upgrade to creator, they will pay you if you are on creator yourself. Right, that is the upgrade bonus. This is where the big money lies. So as I said already, try to start here on these levels here, ambassador, pioneer, mentor, champion, or even director maybe. That well, you can decide where you want to start. That is entirely up to you and what is your capability of starting on those levels. But get your team to follow you and do the same, and you will make faster money. But remember, you will not receive these amounts when you upgrade to that rank. You will only receive it when your levels get completed and those people upgrade to that rank again. You must be on that rank or higher to receive the upgrade funds. Right, now let us look at how is your matrix populated, your matrix tree. There is 2 different matrix structures in Brain BNB. So this is the normal binary one that we are used to. So this matrix gets filled from the top to bottom and left to right, and you do not need to place anything here. The smart contract places everybody here in the next open position, top to bottom, left to right. Right, now here I just made some drawings on how do you get paid. So your first level, there's place for 2 positions, and they will pay you when they register normally. They can either be from spillover, but remember, if it is a spillover, it will pay the inviter. If you start here and you refer 2 new people, they will pay you for beginner payments, the upgrade bonus. But they people that completes your second line, they will pay you for influencer when they upgrade to influencer, and then the payments will go to you. And then on your third level, the 8 positions they will pay you when they upgrade to achiever, and so as well your 4th level, the 16 positions here will pay you when they upgrade to ambassador. Right, and then that same process will follow. I couldn't fit in everything here because the numbers gets too big. So here you got 32 positions on level 5, 64, and you can see everything just doubles. 128 on your champion, and these ranks, mentor and champion, you will already receive a very large amount of BNB that can make a big difference in your financial life. Right, so keep in mind that I mentioned that you aim to start at ambassador, pioneer, mentor, or champion. Right, so this is where you're going to, and your team follows you, then you can make huge amount of BNB, and that's going to be able to put you in a position to upgrade to higher levels, and then your team, you can assist your team and they can follow you as well. All right, always the payments always goes up, right? There's no payment that's going down. The bottom feeds the top. Right, then the bonus number 4 is new added on in Rain BNB. This is the 1.5% recurring level bonus. Now, this is the type of passive income. If you have an active team, you will get paid on a daily basis, and many of our members already get the benefit of this. You get paid on a daily basis. Do not underestimate the power of 1.5%. You will need to qualify for this. The minimum qualification to start receiving this 1.5% is that you need to be on an influencer yourself, and you must have 2 directs as influencers. Then you will start receiving from your second level to level 15. 1.5% of everything that comes into that matrix line. So you will receive 1.5% from influencer to creator. Right, you will see it every day. It's like small drops that falls into a swimming pool, and we know that each drop fills that whole swimming pool. So yeah, do not underestimate the power of this 1.5%. And as we heard, KK yesterday said that from this 1.5%, it's possible to receive $500,000 only if you concentrate on your first. If you only complete your first 7 levels 5 by 5. So that is a very, very, very good target to set for yourself. That is only from the 1.5% recurring level bonus. Now here I took a screenshot. This was launched on the 16th of January 2025. And by the time this screenshot was taken, it already accumulated 2.3 BNB only from the 1.5% bonus. So do not underestimate this 1.5%. Get the active team. If they are not active, help them, and you will start seeing the small drops that comes into your wallet on a daily basis, constantly. Right, so that by that time, this 2.3 BNB was valued at almost $1,400. Now, many people can do with that, only for that. That was about the region of 3 months, I believe. All right, 3 months, this is a very good passive income. This is how this matrix is working. It is different from the binary matrix because here is your referral matrix basically. This is you and your direct referrals. So we said that you need to refer as many as possible. Try for at least 5, but 10 or as much as you can. All right, and then you'll get paid from there, direct referrals, you get paid 1.5%, and from there as well, all the way down to level 15. All right, so this is different from the upgrading bonus. People are getting confused, and this you will see on your My Team tab in your back office, not the Community Info tab, which is the binary matrix. Right. Then the last, or the second last, is your royalty bonus in Rain BNB. Here you can qualify when you reach Icon, Legend, Emperor, Conqueror, Chancellor, or Creator rank. You will qualify for a passive income bonus that will pay out every 24 hours, and you need to claim this in your back office manually. This will be paid immediately to your connected wallet. Excuse me. All right, so how do you qualify for this? You need to upgrade to Icon. You need to have a minimum of 2 directs to qualify for this bonus. You can upgrade to any of these ranks, but you need to have a minimum of 2 directs, which is compulsory to receive the royalty bonus. Right, you also will only earn twice the amount of your total investment from all or any income. And then you will be out of that royalty pool, and then you will need to upgrade to the next rank. You will also only receive from 1 rank. So if you are on Emperor, you will not receive Legend and Icon royalty bonuses. You will only receive from Emperor. So yes, you need to claim this every 24 hours directly in your back office under the rewards and royalty tab. And this gets paid out to you every 24 hours. Now let's look at the last bonus, and that's the lifestyle bonus, which is also a new add-on bonus in Rain BNB, which was not in the previous platform or smart contract of Right BNB, which is still carrying on at this moment. Lifestyle bonus, there's 5 different clubs in this lifestyle rewards, each with their own qualifying criteria. So let's look at the first one is Prime Club. And what is the requirements for that, and how does it pay you? On Prime Club, you will receive 0.5% on a daily basis, but it gets paid out every week until you receive $3,000 in BNB, and then this bonus will stop. Right, the qualifying criteria, you must be on a director yourself, director rank, and you must have 5 directs as champions. So keep note of the number of directs required here. All right, then all of them must have qualified after 16 January 2025. This bonus must be claimed weekly in your back office under the royalty and rewards tab again, same as the royalty bonus. And once you receive a total of 3,000 BNB, this bonus will stop, or this lifestyle rewards will stop. Then you will probably be on the next rank and qualify yourself for the next rank as well, or next elite club. Here you will receive 0.5%. This will get paid out daily to you. You will receive it daily, but it will get paid out on a weekly basis until you receive $25,000 in BNB. Just keep in mind that if you have qualified for the Prime Club, and in that time you qualify for the Elite Club as well, the Prime Club will still carry on paying out every week. It will not just stop when you went to the next rank. This one will still pay out. And the same, even if you reach Supreme Club, all of these others will carry on until they pay out these amounts. Until you get paid on Prime Club 3,000, until you get paid $25,000 in BNB on Elite Club. The others will still carry on. On your Royal Club, you will receive 0.2% on a daily basis, which gets paid out weekly. Here, you will need to be a Chancellor rank yourself, and you must have 5 directs as conquerors. Sorry, on the Elite Club, the qualifying criteria is you must be on a conqueror rank yourself, and you must have 3 emperors as directs. So all must be qualified after 16th of January 2025. Then your Crown Club, here you will receive 0.15% on a daily basis, which will get paid out weekly up until you receive $100,000 in BNB. Here you need to be on the last rank, the creator yourself, and you must have 7 directs as chancellors. So we can see that the number of directs, they are increasing for you to qualify for these bonuses. So the Supreme Club, the last one, the top of the range, this year you will receive 0.15% on a daily basis, which will be paid out to you weekly until you receive $500,000 in BNB. And you need to be on creator yourself, and you must have 10 directs as creators. All right, so we can aim for first 5 directs, then 10 directs, then do not limit yourself. As many directs that you can refer is going to benefit you, it's going to benefit your team. Right, the funds comes from the registrations and upgrades in Rain BNB, and it is already budgeted for by the smart contract. So you do not need to worry about where does the funds come from or where does it go to. The smart contract manages everything. All of these bonuses has been calculated in the registration and upgrade fees already. So everything is there. And let's look at the future roadmap of Rain BNB. So we don't have much information about this yet, but we know that in the next 3 to 4 months, we'll get more info. They are planning on launching their own gaming token, their own exchange, their own trading bot. There's gaming projects in the pipeline as well, also their own blockchain, and then plans for other Web3 projects like NFTs and so on. As soon as more information is available, it will be shared with everybody. So what they are doing now is they are building the community. And if you have an active team, make sure that they do get active and grow bigger. to benefit from these projects when they launch these as well. Right now, here's just achievements from some accounts. And here I want to show you the difference by starting on beginner and starting on ambassador. This account started, these two accounts on the left, they started both in September 2024 on beginner, on the $2.60 at that time. Right, so this one, it used those funds of about $900 probably to, but it made about $7,000 in that time, in 4 months. And it reached the rank of Titan in 4 months. Right, let's look at the ambassador one. This one reached director in 14 days. Because why? What's the difference here? Everybody joined on ambassador. And that is, by the time the screenshot was taken, it used $450 and it made almost 1,200 with this 1.9 BNB at that time that it used to, it used 0.7 BNB to upgrade. And it made 1.9 BNB. It's much higher now. But this is the main difference. And here's just other accounts that supports that notion. But you can see clearly the difference here. Obviously, it's going to take you just much faster to get to higher ranks and to get more income. Remember, we are here to do, we want to make more money. We want to make money in Rain BNB. Right, and then also we get the question of, show me the money. Have you withdrawn the money into your bank? Show me the money in your bank. Yeah, I have made screenshots. This is actually not even supposed to be in here because Rain BNB pays you immediately to your Web3 wallet. And from there, you need to exchange it or send it to exchange wallet. And then from there, exchange it to your country's currency and to your bank account. But I've added here for people to see, and this is what they want to see. So yes, we do withdraw the money and we do withdraw it to our bank accounts. There's plenty of those examples. Right, now you need to ask yourself seriously the following questions. What is your why, as I said in the beginning? What is your why? To achieve most of your why, we need vitamin M, and that is vitamin money. M stands for money or finance. So yes, you know what you want to achieve. You know where you want to go in life. And then Rain BNB is the vehicle for you to get there. It is fairly easy. It is not rocket science. You just need to study it. You need to be committed. You need to inform your team, help them, and commit and tune in and learn everything that you want. If you do not understand, just ask. There is people that will help you. Right, and then the other question is, what are you waiting for? If you're going to wait for the perfect time, then I have news for you. There is never a perfect time. You can't wait for the perfect time to be there. The perfect time will never be there. You need to create the perfect time, and the best time was yesterday. The next best time to start is now. And as we see in the Bible as well, it says, he who is watching the wind does not sow. So if you're going to look at all your circumstances around you, you're not going to take action. You're going to look for excuses. You're not going to go over into committing or taking action. If you look at the clouds, you're not going to reap anything. If you look at your excuses, you will not be successful. So put down your excuses, look for solutions, get the answers that you need, and take action. That is the only way that you're going to get forward in life and achieve your success. Right, I thank you for your time. Please get back to the person that invited you and let it start a Rain BNB into your wallet. All right, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Over to you, KK. Oh, I see KK is left us. Winnie, you want to take over? Is there anything that you want to say? Or anybody else? Anybody there's a question maybe? Or anything that is unclear? Thank you, Desmond. See your message today. All right, so yes, people, what I just want to reiterate is that we get a lot of people that's got a lot of excuses, and it's the same people who is looking for money. We have the answers, we have the solutions. We need to help people. We need to help the people who doesn't understand crypto or wallets. It is really not that difficult. It is really not. The tools are here for us to use. We have everything to our disposal to change our own lives and the lives of those in our teams and everyone around us. We know what circumstance this world is currently in. And RainBnB is the perfect vehicle to change your life, to change your finances. We need to assist each other. We need to stop breaking each other down and trying to step on each other. Look how you can help people. If you see problems, try and get solutions. There's always something to change. Nothing is impossible. There's always a way out. Please reach out to your upline or to your team leader if you are struggling or if you do not have the answers. But everything in RainBnB is there. It's transparent. It's legal. It's legit. There's no chance of being scammed or any risk there. Nobody can lose their money. They will not make money if they don't work. That's the only thing. And then they can't say it is a scam. But they do not understand it. All right, I see KK is back. KK, do you want to take over or say anything? I see Ken has raised his hand. Ken, can you unmute and...
Yeah, good evening, and thank you for this very unique presentation. I didn't join early enough, and that's why I raised my hand. I'm so sorry about that. Please, can I get the presentation so that I can get the everything from the beginning? I mean, the recorded version of this. Is it possible?
Yes, Ken, it is recorded. It should be up in a couple of minutes after this meeting. Then, if you just subscribe to the RainBnB YouTube channel, I don't know if you're on the Telegram or WhatsApp groups where you can get to the YouTube channel. It will be available there.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Yes.
I'll do that. Thank you very much.
It's a pleasure.
I'm grateful. Yeah. Yeah.
No problem. Right. Anything from anybody else? All right. While we are here, please invite your people for tomorrow night's training with KK, where he will explain to us that 1.5%, how you can earn $500,000 from that only. All right. I don't know, KK, if you still want to say something. Or Winnie, or anybody else?
Good evening, all. Thank you so much, Johan, for the amazing business presentation that you shared with us this evening. I hope it reached the minds, especially the financial minds of our honorable guests that joined us in this meeting tonight. And yes, if there's more people with questions, we can just reserve them for tomorrow, the training session, because that is where actually the platform is wide open for you to ask any question about the business, or you can even speak to the person that invited you, and they should also be able to help you. And thank you so much to everybody. Johan, I think we can end the meeting this evening. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for everyone taking the time on a Friday evening. Take care, and we'll see each other again tomorrow. Good night, good morning, and good afternoon, wherever you are. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Good night, everybody.